discerning drivers will appreciate the 2011 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, and power windows. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.